100% working method to connect Canon Pixma TS5151 to any computer. Step 1. Connect your printer to Wi-Fi. Use navigation arrows on the control panel to select Wi-Fi icon. Then press OK. Make sure LAN settings button is selected and press OK. Then select Wireless LAN. Select WLAN Active Inactive menu and press OK. Activate Wireless LAN. Press up arrow and OK. Wait for the success screen. Next, press down arrow to select Wireless LAN setup. Press OK and select Manual Connect and press OK. Now it's searching for wireless router. Select your Wi-Fi network name and press OK. If you have a mesh system, consider if you want to use just only one nearest router to connect the printer or use all routers in your mesh system. The second option is preferred. Press OK. Now you need to enter Wi-Fi password. Make sure the password field is outlined and press OK. Use on-screen keyboard to enter your password. Use the Shift button to switch between small and capital letters. Use the switcher at the bottom left to switch between letters and special characters. Enter your password, then select OK button on the screen and press OK button on the control panel. Confirm your password by pressing OK. The printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Press OK and go back to the home screen. Step 2. On your computer, add the printer to your printing system. Click the Start menu, open Settings. In the search bar, start typing Printers. Select Printers and Scanners. Click Add Device. Wait for a printer to appear in the list. Next, click Add Device next to Canon TS5151 series. Wait for connection. The printer is connected and now you can close your settings. This step is very similar on Mac computers. Step 3. Install drivers and software. Open any web browser and in the search bar type in canon.com/ijsetup. Then hit Enter key on your keyboard. It takes you to the Canon website. Click Setup. Wait for the page to load. Click in this search bar and type in your printer's model. Select your printer's model. Click Go. Once again, wait for the page to load, and at the top right, select your operating system. Then click the Download button. Wait for the file to download, then click on the file to launch it, and click Yes if you see this window. Now you can minimize your browser. Then complete the installation steps. Click Start Setup, click Next, wait for drivers to download, accept the license agreement, click Yes, agree in this window, make sure your printer is found, and click Yes. Now it's installing drivers. If you see this window, later you need to align print heads using Maintenance menu on the printer's display. Now you can just click Next. You can print a test page or skip this step and click Next. The setup is complete. Click Next. This software is optional. You can consider do you need it and check or uncheck these checkboxes. Then click Next. You can ignore the instructions to print from smartphone or tablet and click Next. Also, you can skip printer registration. You can use it without registration. So click Skip. Installation completed successfully, so click Exit. It takes you to the website, but you don't need it so far. You can close this tab and close your browser. Step 4 is optional but recommended. You can install Canon Print application from Microsoft Store or App Store for Mac computers and use it to manage your printer, or use print, copy and scan features, or either do it from third-party application. That's it. Thanks for watching.